So what's up, guys? Today we got something a little bit different. I'm gonna actually be doing an unboxing of the Kilduff Exterminator shifter that I just ordered. Before we get into that though, I'd like to just let you guys know the next 2 weeks. So we got today's video, and then Friday after that, and the Friday after. So two Fridays we won't have a video. I'm going on vacation and I won't be able to film anything for those next 2 weeks, so don't really have anything there. I'll see if I can hopefully get some video going while I'm on vacation, so maybe I'll have something out sooner, but don't expect it. So after that forewarning, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so today, something a little bit different. I just got my order in from Kilduff Machine. This is a new shifter for the C10. The homemade one that I made out of the Civic shifter didn't quite work out. I couldn't get the gate set right. I just never could get it to where I liked it. So I just decided to go out and buy the most badass one I could find, basically. I mean, screw B&M, this thing looks mean. So I'm gonna, I guess, just unbox it. It'll be a little bit before I get to install it, but I figure after it's installed, I'll end up doing possibly a full review on it, just my thoughts and whatnot. But for now, let's just tear into this thing. Set of instructions. This is the Kilduff Exterminator shifter. Now this one in particular was actually designed for fitting inside of consoles. I went with it because it was the cheapest option they had. Let's get to the meat of it here. This the do is him. I don't think he's gonna fit in my my center console. I may have to make a new one. That's gonna blow. We'll go over this here in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Literally hardly anything. Oh my god. Cover plate. Doesn't fit. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. This is the Exterminator shifter by Kilduff, and it is it's a ratchet shifter, but it can also be overridden by pulling this lever. When they advertise it on their website, they have a pistol grip shifter. I'm going to put my Spider-Man shifter on it, shift knob on it, so I don't really need that. So let's take a look. So to get it out of park, you can't pull it out of park. It doesn't just pull out of park, so you got to lift up on this, pull it back. There's reverse. Neutral. It's going to be third, second, first. Doesn't go back any farther than that. So first, second, third. I don't think it even goes into neutral. Doesn't seem like it. Oh my god. First, second, third, neutral. Then go past neutral into reverse. There's reverse. And reverse to park. Okay, so as I was saying, sorry, I've been playing with it. So as I was saying, you can override the Hi Barney. Do you want to sniff this? So as I was saying, you can override the ratchet. So we'll pull it back, reverse, neutral. Here's third. We should be able to pull this lever, pull on our lever. Sorry, camera's on the wrong side, but pull on the lever and pull it straight back to first. There's first. And we can go up to any other gear we want. It's kind of hard. Well, especially because it's not like bolted down or anything, so I don't have any way to get decent leverage. And just try to go one gear. There's second, third, neutral, reverse, park. So you can, and you can go straight from reverse back to first, which is like dope. So the reason that I wanted one like this is I love the idea of a ratchet shifter, but since I have a full manual valve body, I did not want to have to ratchet through each gear. Just ratchet every freaking time. I didn't want to do that. So seeing this means I can pull it back to first, and then I can go to second, and then third, and if I need to go back to first, all I gotta do is squeeze the trigger, pull it back to first, when I come to a stop, then ratchet back through them. And I didn't know this, but seeing it now, I'm happy about it. It won't go into neutral without pulling up first. So that's pretty sweet. With the Turbo 400s and Turbo 350s, you don't want to actually go into neutral like at the end of the drag strip or anything. You don't want to really put it into neutral. This thing is tough as nails. Let me, I'll bring it in here. So you can see it's made out of some beefy material. Yes, so it does come with a neutral safety switch and a park and neutral safety switch and a and backup light switch. So that's pretty cool too. Anyway, first impressions, this thing's gonna be sick. It is beefy, sturdy as hell. Doesn't look like anything's gonna just fall apart on me. I'm pretty stoked to use it and get Spider-Man sitting on top there. It's gonna look sick. So stay tuned for that, guys. But yeah, for now, that's this shifter. So that's the shifter, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. If you think it's gonna be sweet, if you like it, if you don't like it, let me know. And something was brought to my attention on my Instagram that the plate actually does not say Exterminator. It's misspelled on the plate, so I don't know. I'm probably not gonna use that plate anyway, so whatevs. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.